What's going on, guys? I think it's day 51, 52, something like that. Let's go over what we saw with price today. I was bullish today, coming off, the big move up from war news and everything. We were also respecting this daily gap here. I already saw price kind of came down, took out these targets, these lows, and was filling this gap here. So I wanted to trade up to these highs, even these highs, and it looks like these targets did get hit. We saw London right here sweep these lows, and that was my draw, or my sweep on liquidity for the day. My draws were up here. We saw market open, pretty much just came up. I wanted to see this 5-minute low get swept before I was going to enter a trade. We unfortunately did not get that. Instead, it just edged it. Even on ES, it edged it, and respected the 5-minute, went up, and I think right here it was like these 1-minute candles were 50 points a piece. So I saw this candle here, right? Could have 100% entered right here. Targets up here, would have hit, but it wasn't entirely aligned with my strategy. And once I saw that candle, I saw it kind of chopping up, and I was like, you know what? I'm done. The last resort, the last chance I thought I had was if it was going to come down into this 5-minute gap and sweep this low. But it didn't. And, it didn't play out in my favor. It played out in my favor in which direction my draws. But when it came to my strategy and giving me opportunity, did not present today. And, it's not an ugly day either. Just didn't present with my strategy, and I want to respect my strategy as much as I can to bring probability on my side. So if I was to trade willy-nilly, I would be kind of going against my probability, and that could alter the way I trade the next week or couple months, and it could fuck me over. So I simply just want to follow my rules and just keep progressing within myself rather than the PNL and where I am at with an account or a funded account. Because realistically, nowadays, you can just buy a funded, but I'm not going to do that. So my best bet here is to really just keep trading the way I am and to follow my rules. Stay calm, stay patient, stay disciplined, all that fun jazz. But days like today made me feel good for sure to be disciplined in my strategy, because I could have definitely been, I feel if I was still making the same mistakes I used to, I would have entered here, because I saw, price literally like rocketed. It was super quick, and I know the old me would have definitely entered off that out of fear of missing out, and just seeing price move that way would have scared me to enter. But if we got that 5-minute sweep and got that would have been totally within the boundaries of my strategy, but we didn't. So like I said, follow your plan, follow your strategy, see progression within yourself, not on the charts. I'm gonna keep this one quick and simple. Nothing much to even say or look at here. It's just price was very bullish today. That's all I could say. We got the rest of this week. I have full confidence to pass this account. So in due time. So be patient with yourself. Be patient with your progress. Don't worry about your progress up here, but worry about your progress up here. Anyways, guys, it's been good. It's been real. These videos are hopefully to help y'all, and it's also, a good little reflection of the day for myself. But, I was talking to my friend, and he was literally saying he's gotten a payout, one payout, and he was literally saying that if he doesn't see progress within his balance or his account, he gets discouraged, and he trades worse. And I was telling him today, I said, that's your issue right there, that you are literally doing it to yourself by just focusing on your PNL and day to day, that if your PNL goes down, that you're doing bad. And that's not necessarily true with trading, that if your PNL goes down, it's part of probability. And if you carry that negative mindset of my PNL is going down, I'm not doing good, you're not going to have full confidence, you're not going to be disciplined, it's all going to come crashing down, and you're going to have to go through a hard time. So just by seeing that and hearing that from somebody is definitely real. I mean, it's not like I didn't believe in it, because I've been through that before. Regardless of having a payout, everybody's on their own journey. Everybody has a different timeline. Now, my payout has not come yet. His came before, and now he is just now experiencing this feeling of account balance, reminiscing on it, and it is affecting him. I've already been through that, so I know what not to focus on, and I know what to focus on. So focus on you, most importantly. Focus on how you're progressing. Just think about how far, how long ago you had started, and how you were trading, how you were thinking, and now think about how far you've come now. That's what you should be thinking about. And that will just bring your spirit up, your mindset, and you'll feel a whole lot better. You'll feel a whole lot better. And if you stick to that, just keep focusing on you, your mind. Don't worry about the progress within the balance or the money. Focusing on the money and the balance is going to fuck you over in the long run, regardless if you got a payout. And that is clear to show. So, anyways, that's it. It's been good. It's been real. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.